Do you take responsibility for your relationships? Not in a way that means like carrying everything. Not in the way that means managing, tending to everybody's feelings all the time. I mean in a way that says, my words matter. My presence matters. How I listen matters. And how I repair, it matters. Because in a conversation, it can change everything. A relationship, a team, a family, a future. Still, so many of us delay the conversations that matter most. And it's not because we don't care. We really do. We worry about being misunderstood. We worry about upsetting somebody. We worry that the relationship's going to change. So instead, we rehearse or overthink. We wait. We tell ourselves, maybe later. And avoidance, it has a cost. And sometimes the conversation, it just can't wait longer. And that's why I'm inviting you to join me for a 90-minute workshop called Staying Steady When Conversations Get Hard. This is a practical, grounded workshop for leaders who take responsibility for their relationships. And so together we're going to explore how come difficult conversations feel so hard, what happens in the nervous system when conflict feels threatening, and how to stay connected to yourself while speaking clearly, listening well, and navigating difference with steadiness. And the goal is not to be perfect here. The outcome, we're looking for honesty. We're looking for honesty without being harsh, clarity without being careless, and staying steady enough to say what needs to be said. And so if you've been carrying a conversation you know you need to have, it's at work or at home, maybe it's within yourself, this workshop's for you. Join me Tuesday, July 28th. This is going to be at noon Pacific. We're going to meet virtually on Google Meet, and it's complimentary. So there's only 20 seats though, so you've got to email me, aloha@terraann.com. It'll be great to have you join us. Hui hou.